Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how to achieve top 3 products country wise. If you can see on this visual, we have 3 products for every country. They might be same or they might be different on the basis of the sales they have achieved. Let me show you how to achieve the same thing in Power BI Desktop. I'm going to create a matrix visual now. On the rows, I'm going to take country and product. Let's bring total sales onto the values. Let's expand this. Now we'll see we have 5 products for each country. Let's try to achieve the similar thing with the help of visual level filter, and let's see what we can get. On the product, I'm going to take top 1 filtering and the top 3 on the top 3 on the basis of sales. Let's apply the filter. So now we can see we have got 3 products on every country, but if we can see every product has same 3 products. Let's verify whether we have the same 3 products everywhere or not. I'm just removing the filter, copied the same visual and just remove the filter for, let's say, for United States of America. If we can check on the United States of America on the base, let's sort it on the base of value total sales. So we have Pasio, VTT and Velo here, which we are getting. But let's see for Canada, so we have Pasio, VTT and Amarilla. So if you see, we do not have Amarilla here, but we are getting here Velo, which is not third highest for Canada, and even for the France and Germany and also for Mexico, we are not getting Amarilla. Instead of we are getting Velo, so which is wrong representation. So let's achieve the right top 3 products with the help of RANKX function. I'm going to create a RANKX function now, and I'm going to create rank measure with the help of a RANKX function. RANKX. Here I'm not considering the entire table. I'm going to only take product column as my table here with the help of all function. Here we need to pass an expression. I'm going to take total sales here. So as we are going to sort it on the basis of sales only, and we are calculating the rank on the basis of sales. Here value I'm passing nothing here for the value. You can also pass total sales. I'm taking order on the basis of descending as we want values from highest to lowest. Let's run this. Now we can see every product has rank within the country. So we have 1 to 6 ranks for every product within the country. So if we want to achieve top 3 out of this, we can use visual level filter to take top 3 products. So let's filter the rank which is less than or equal to 3, so that we'll have only top 3 products. So now if you see, we have top 3 products for every country. Let's remove rank so that we can only see products without ranking, but we can see the rank has been filtered on visual level to have only 3 products. So in this video, we achieved the top 3 products with the help of a RANKX function. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.